How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Super Takedown K-Force 47 TIR full-size light bar. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness here, and you'll have a connector. And this is to be used with our optional Super Takedown Supreme Control. Or you can cut this off in hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your two main power cables here, and then you'll have your white backlight LED cable. Now on your Supreme Control box, you'll have your 3-position slide switch, you'll have your mode button with dual flash pattern memory, your pattern changer button, your super takedown button, your standard takedown button, your alley button, your cruise functionality, your dim functionality, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar, your center out, left, right, and right, left traffic advisor, and your backlight LED button. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the functions. So for example here, I brought a red-blue color unit, and I'm using our optional Super Takedown Supreme Control. Now on your Supreme Control box, you'll have your 3-position slide switch. So in position 1, that will activate the back of your light bar. Position 2 will activate the front of your light bar. And position 3 will activate your light bar in 360 mode. And then you have your mode button here. When this is deactivated, you're in mode 1. Now if I activate this, I have a second flash pattern saved, so I have dual flash pattern memory. And then here I have my pattern changer button, and then I have my super takedown button, which will activate my super takedown. And then here you have your takedown and alley buttons, which will activate your 2 white takedowns and your 2 side alley lights. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade for our alley lights here. And then here you have your cruise functionality, which will activate your 4 corner LEDs and steady burn. And then here you have your dim function, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar. And this also works for your super takedown function as well. And then here you have your center out, left, right, and right, left traffic advisor. And then here you have your backlight LED button, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box. And you can activate that function via your button here or by hardwiring your white cable. Now again, I did bring a red-blue color example here, but we offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. So let's go over a few of those. So on the bottom here, I brought a green-clear alternating color setup. And then in the middle, I brought an amber solid color setup. And then up top here, I brought a red-blue half-half color setup. So we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, solid, half-half, and alternating. And we do have our customization tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice all of my light bars were on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. When it comes to activating the backlight LEDs on your switch box, you can use your backlight LED button here, or you can use your white cable to hardwire this function. Now if you use your white cable, your button will become inactive, so you can either use your white cable to hardwire, or you can use the button on your switch box. When it comes to mounting your light bar, you'll have your pre-attached light bar feet here, which are adjustable along the bottom slide track of your light bar. And then you'll have your included universal gutter mount brackets, and we do offer optional vehicle-specific gutter mount brackets as well. And then you'll also see our optional headache rack mount brackets and our optional permanent stud mount brackets. And to attach these, you'll remove your light bar feet and use the existing hardware here. So that covers our Super Takedown K-Force 47 TIR full-size light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.